Hi everyone. So now that things are starting to open back up, we're all planning little getaways, and for the first time ever, I'm actually looking forward to packing, and my favorite thing to pack is jewelry. So one thing I've learned is that packing pieces that can commingle with each other, it really takes a lot of guessing work out of it, and if you're going for a more layered look, it will definitely make things a lot easier. So right now I'm wearing tennis necklaces, and I could always layer the pill links with that. So one thing I definitely think is everybody needs one pair of really versatile diamond earrings. I love these because they literally dance on you and they really go with everything. I definitely think you need one piece that has some color to it. These are so fun, and I feel like because they're not diamonds, you can actually wear these at a day lunch. I mean, they are so yummy. Pack at least one cocktail ring, something that's gonna vibe with the rest of your day rings. For me, I'm either gonna take the honey aqua or the honey pearl. Wishing everybody an amazing trip if you're going away, and sending love.